Welcome to online classes presented by Rawal Public School. Today I am going to tell you an interesting story. Who gets what? Are you ready? Okay. Once there was an old man and he had two sons. The elder one was Chitram. He was very sharp and shrewd person. Shrewd means very sharp minded. And the younger one was Hetram, who was a simple and good natured person. One day their father God died and he left three things. The three things were a blanket, a buffalo, and a guava tree. Then Chitram decided to divide their father's legacy. So he said that I have an idea to divide the blanket. You will keep the blanket during the daytime and I will keep it at the night. Hetram agreed without thinking. After that, he said, in case of buffalo, you will have front portion and the rear portion would belong to me. Then he asked about the guava tree. He said that the lower portion of the tree will be yours and the upper portion will be mine. Hetram agreed, but soon he realized that he had done a bad deal. He told about it to a wise old woman. She told him the solution to get his equal share. That evening, Hetram dipped the blanket in water. So, as a result, when Chitram came to get the blanket, he found it wet and he did not get the blanket to sleep that night. Next day, when Chitram was milking the buffalo, Hetram came along with his stick and hit the buffalo on its shoulder. In this way, Chitram did not get the milk also. After that, Chitram went to break some guava from the tree. Soon he saw the Hetram. He was coming along with his axe to cut the lower portion of the tree because it was his share. Now, Chitram learned a lesson and he promised his younger brother Hetram to give him an equal share in everything. After that, they lived both happily. Moral: always be fair and honest.